In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can pair or connect your Apple Airpods to your LG A1 OLED TV. Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So today I'm going to show you guys a quick little tutorial video of how you can use your AirPods on your TV here. And I'm going to show you the step-by-step instructions on how to do that. So right here I'm on the dashboard to the LG TV, and what you're going to do is grab your remote controller. Okay, so one of the easiest ways to do this is right here on your remote control. Go ahead and click on the gear icon, and that'll bring up this sidebar menu here. And you're going to want to go down. Now every LG TV might be a little different, but they're basically the same when it comes to formatting their sidebar menu here. But go to the one that has the speaker icon right there. It says sound out. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll see that it gives a few different options there. And you're going to want to click on the one right there that says Bluetooth device, and then you'll scroll right here to where it says device list. Okay, and so it's looking for your devices right now. It says 0 devices have been found. But on your AirPods, you're going to want to click the button, the pairing button on your AirPods. So right now I got it pressed in, and we'll hold it until the TV recognizes it. Okay, so as I was holding it down, it started recognizing it, and then right there you can see where it says, well, it's got my son's name, but AirPods. So it's recognizing the AirPods, and I'll go ahead and click on the AirPods. And I do have the AirPods open right now, and right now it says AirPods are connected right there. Now the other way to connect them is when you get on is to press the home button here, and then go over to where it says TV speaker, and then click on that, and then that'll take you to this menu here as well. So there's a couple different ways that you're able to access it. And then right here on this menu, you'll click on use wireless speaker. Right here where it says Bluetooth device, you'll click on those 3 dots, and then it brings up this menu here which you can pair your AirPods right here. Alright, so now they are connected, and I will be able to listen to anything that's on my TV through my AirPods. So that way, if you're wanting to watch a movie and you don't want anybody else to listen to it, you can just put them in your ears and you'll be the only one hearing it. So that's how you connect your AirPods to your LG TV. So hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.